Hi everyone. So this is Zahir and welcome to the demo of LinguaQuery. So I'll give the demo of LinguaQuery basically. But before directly jumping into the query, I just want to give you a little brief about what exactly this LinguaQuery is and then why I start working on this along with my daily work. And what are the challenges? What are the problems are there? And did I solve till now? So yeah, basically, if I talk about LinguaQuery, it's nothing. It's just to break the barrier between human and database. You know, people are. I mean, all the people cannot speak the queries, right? If someone want to communicate with the database or do the queries, they need to know the specific database queries, be it SQL, no SQL, or anything. They need to be professional in writing those queries. Then only they can get the information out of those queries. So no, if we but people are very much okay to ask question in natural language like English. What they almost everyone can ask in English. If they so this if they simply ask in English and get the information out of their database, it would be great, right? I mean, but it's not straightforward. That is to break the barrier between human and I would say database. That's all about this language query. So no, it's just in you can say the natural language interface for database, where the user can go ahead and ask in simple English, and they get the result out of their database. All the companies have their own databases, right? I mean, all the critical data are locked behind their databases. If the normal user in the sense, not the professional database expert, want to query anything, they cannot simply go and get the query, write the query and get things, right? They need to be very much aware about all the tables, all the schema. Hell lot of things are there in their on-prem databases. Then on top of that, they need to they need to be the expert of queries writing. Then only they can get it. So no, in almost every domain, I mean, be it healthcare, be it edutech, be it construction, almost every domain, all the information are stored in the big database. I mean, to deal with those things in some natural language is very challenging. I mean, that's why I thought of let's build work on this problem, give my free time in the to solve this problem, how we can achieve this. So I started with very basic problem. I took one single database and put so many tables and thought of working whether this if I create an AI agents, I mean the LLM chains where this could work or not, where the natural processing we are passing and the agent automatically introspect all the schema available in database, go out there and detect the right tables, get the queries, do all the extraction and give the final result to the user. So no, for that one I said, right, a lot of domains. I took the example of healthcare domain and just it was easy for me. I created some dummy tables with the dummy data and just tested. So now if I talk about the healthcare domain, see, in the healthcare domain, say doctor want to know the any information about the patient, very complex information. I would say the doctor want to know the patient for last 3 months, where the patient has a heart rate of more than 100, blood pressure of some quantities, and on top of that took some medication there. And when he is mixing so many questions, right? I mean, normally the SaaS application provider, they might have their own software application where they might be dashboard and UI interface where they can get some information. I won't say all the information, but still it is very hectic to go out there, click on the buttons, get the filters in the dashboard, add all the information there, then click on the filter and get all those things. Still it is very it's one is time consuming, second is to go each pages, get the information, then do this is very hectic for doctors, right? And plus also they cannot there are predefined information will available in their dashboard and UI. They cannot to complex level queries and any infinite queries they can't do. So only this query we can achieve using this agenda, AI agent, whatever we are building, where they can simply we are giving single interface where the doctor can speak and in plain English, and I just want this information. Could you please give it? In a simple English, you could ask. You don't need to worry about what are the schemas are present there, what are the tables are present there. I mean, how the information is stored there. He doesn't need to know or know about anything out there. He just need to know, yeah, this information might will be stored there. That much information, if he is aware, well and good. He just need to ask the query simply without the perimeter, whatever he wants. And our agent will take those information, pass it, click all the information, segregate it, do the chunking, introspect our schema database, need to intelligently detect the right tables where the information would be stored, and then get the correct queries, do the queries out of here, get back to the doctors with all the correct information. And this all whatever process it is happening in the single interface only. Doctor doesn't need to know what is happening. He just need to say a simple English query. Yeah, that's it. I mean, after that, the right information will come there. So this is where LinguaQuery I thought of, let's build this, start working on this one. So I started with the basic. I told you, right, with the single database and multiple tables. I started with this one and thinking of making it more complex for in big companies. I told you, right, a lot of they might be having multiple data sources with multiple database. A lot of things would be there. So I'm thinking of working on that ahead as well. Currently, I'll just show the demo. I'll be sharing the screen. I hope my screen is visible. So I'll just refresh this first. Oh. So now, as I said, I created one database where I put a lot of healthcare related tables. See, there are a lot of tables are there. I started with patient select. So these are the patient data. These are the dummy data. Dummy data. Don't worry. I mean, here I did some patient information, their name, genders, their date of birth, phone numbers, and other things. Similarly, I created the tables for doctors also. If you can execute here, the doctor's information would be there. First and second name, what is the specialty, dermatology, this neurology, general medicine, and orthopedics and other things are there. Similarly, I would have tables of this one also, appointment tables, where the information will be stored there, which patient is taking appointment from which doctors. So now this appointment, see the which patient is taking appointment from which doctor, and the appointment date and other thing, and the reasons of appointment also. Similarly, there are other tables are there. Health data. I'm not going into each table. You can see all the tables on the right side. This diagnosis tables, hospital admission, insurance, lab tests, medical history of the patients, prescription and other thing, vaccination and other thing, billings and other things are there. I'll simply go to our AI application where the user could actually use it very simply. I'm running on the local host of mine. So see, this we have built it. This is ask your database. You can simply write any question. Say list. Give me the list of patient. I'll just say give me the patients who born between 1989 to 2000. I just simply typing in English, right? There are no queries you are writing. If you need to write same thing in the here, you you need to be expert to you need to have the expertise of the queries. You need to know the syntax correctly. Then only you can do the queries. Here, see, you just simply ask English, anything you want to type it, but get the information there simply. I said give me the list of patient who born between 1989 and 2000. So it will go this information, our AI agent, whatever we have built in the beginning, it will take the information, it will go there, introspect or schema and other things. It will do all the intelligent thing and get with the result. See, it got the data. These are the patient who born between 1989 and 2000. If you, sorry guys, Okay. See here, date of birth you can verify. It should be between 99 and 2000 only. See 98, 92, 94. If you see more, it is 97, 95. It would be between this one only. So there, this information, if they want to want in Excel format, I gave one option of download SCV format. So it will download in CSV format, and there in the Excel they can share or to anyone wherever they want to share or use it accordingly. They can do the analysis and do whatever they want to do. And here also I give the query also if they want to really verify. I mean, how what query your AI agent has created. So see, it is the SQL query it is created. Select a patient between this one. You can actually verify. If you take this, go there and verify, it will give the same result only. See how many records it give? 13. If you go there and verify, total row is 13. It give correct, right? That is how these things are working. So right now I just typed a very simple query. If I want to make it more complex, I'll say born between and took appointment from Dr. James. So now I made it a little more complex. I said, give me the list of patients who born between this, and they took the appointment from Dr. James. So it need to filter it out all the information correctly. Now it need to deal with multiple tables, right? It go need to go to patient table, take the patient information, go to the appointment table, take the appointment information. Before that, they need to go to the doctor table, take the doctor information, then take go to the appointment table and check the appointment who took from whom. See, these are the patient who took appointment from Dr. James. If you check that, these are the patient. If you check the SQL query, you would have went to all the see appointment tables. It went doctor table. It went and patient table. Anyhow, it need to go. So it is doing intelligently building this entire query. I mean, that's the smartness of I have built as of now. So no, otherwise it is very difficult. You can simply see the difference between this simple English and this query. To build this query, they need to be expert. To write this English query, anybody can go and ask these queries, right? If I make it more complex, see, give me the patient list and Dr. James. I'll say give the patient who born in between and took appointment from Dr. James and his heart rate more than 70. Now I added more queries. I said, give me the list of patients who born between this, took the appointment from doctor, and also heart rate more than 70. Now it needs to go to entire schema, understand where all this information will be present. That need to intelligently, the agenda is to intelligently do all the things, go to each and every section of the tables and do see it give all the information. So there are three this one who has born between this, took the appointment from Dr. James, and heart rate is more than 70. If you take the SQL query, see, it went to multiple table, right? It went to patient observation table, it went to patient, it went to doctor, it appointment table also you need to go to check the appointment and all those things. You see, it is very complex. Now see these heart rates are storing in very complex table, patient information, and it's in JSON. We see it's not simple. If I go there and check, show you the table where the vitals are present, it is in patient observation. If I open this table is not a simple row and column table. See, observation, this observation is nested observation. It is the JSON-B format, and inside there are also the nested information at the vital. Inside vitals, we are putting 100. So, no, this much intelligent, whatever this AI system I created, it is that much intelligent that it is going in each, all the schema, attaching each and everything, understanding how things are working there, how things are storing there, how this JSON-B is storing there, in how they are building the actual query and exactly returning the exact result. This much intelligent it has created. So it is for normal query to write this query, it is very complex. Now with the simple English, anybody can go out there and get the information in a simple English. That is what I built so far. So no, it's JSON B are like this is nested information storage. So to bring this, it is very not straightforward. So yeah, that is all from my side as of now. So I explained it each and everything very clearly. I hope you got what I did here, how these things are working. I'm not explaining the in the backend part or how things are actually working in the technology side, each and everything that I have a Medium post actually. I mean, where I'll be explaining very briefly one by one, step by step. You can actually go to. I'll put my the Medium link into the description. You can go out there if you really want have the interest to check how I built actually this using so many LangChains, OpenAI, say skill schema things, LangChain SQL, lot of tools I use it. Then I chain it, do a lot of things using fast API, Python, or every technology I use. Those things I'll explain in my Medium post. You can go out there and check it out. Plus, also I'll share my GitHub link also where I already push it a lot of things. I'll make it open source. If you really want to contribute or want to work here, most welcome. I will make it open source, and we can build some intelligent sort of search engine. I would say the basic. I'd say the will break the barrier between, I'd say, human in database at all. I mean, it's not. This is the very basic one. I'm again saying it's just one single database and extracting the tables. In real scenarios, a lot of organization might have very complex structure, as I told, right? I mean, the multiple data source, multiple database, a lot of things would be there. To make it that much intelligent, I'm still working on that one. I'll keep working on this one. I'm thinking of how to build or node rerouting. I mean, I have so many things in my brain. I'll start working out and I'll keep posting out there in my Medium post. Plus, if I want to make any, I can give the demo also, live demo. Yeah, that's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much.